trunk, I got two resilient sound platinum 18s in the 4th order at a quarter ohm on salt fork.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
You went 4th order.
Oh yeah.
Info first.
What year, make, model, all that good stuff?
Everything, yep.
It's a 2016 Nissan Sentra. On the doors, I got 2 Unlawful Sounds 8s and 8 DB Drive P7M 6.5s with a horn and a tweeter. In the trunk, I got 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s in the 4th order at a quarter ohm on salt 4K.
Quarter ohm. Have you clamped your rise yet?
I didn't check rise, but 6K.
Does it ever cut off? Okay. Have you metered it?
Yes. Same as it's been. Single 18, 212s, it don't matter. It's all 147.
147. Okay. Are you happy with it or no?
I can demo all day. I can play lows. I can.
Yes, sir.
It's all I wanted. If I wasn't louder, I wouldn't care that much. I just wanted a demo monster.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yes.
What's the specs?
No idea. It fits.
It fits. Okay. So
I can tell you the max dimensions. That's about it.
Okay. So you don't know your cubes?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. It just sounds good.
No sealed ratio. No ported ratio. No nothing.
Okay. All right. Is louder windows up or down?
Down.
Down. Okay. All right. I'm ready. You ready, Jess? You ready? Lower musically than before too.
Oh yeah.
So you gain bandwidth and you stayed flat response. So you gain bandwidth and you're still metering about the same. So you're happy then.
And I can move hair now.
And you can move hair trick better. Awesome.
I just wish my doors would start working again.
Sounds good. Still sounds pretty clean.
It's just horns and tweeters.
Just horns?
Horns and tweeters, that's it.
All right. You got another song?
Oh yeah.
All right. not as high maybe, but what is your peak at?
30.
30. Well,
30 hertz.
that's actually a good peak, but you're not as loud on that peak maybe though.
Well, I mainly compete in demo dominator anyway, so.
That's right. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you again. Oh yeah, no problem. I like videos. Salt 4K. Wow. Does it ever get hot?
It's about 130 degrees right now, but
Well, it tells you.
yeah, it's got the voltage readout and the temperature readout
Really?
built in on it all.
Dude, that's nice. Awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. I understand. Hey, have a good day, man. Hey, get what you pay for though.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.